Hello everyone, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you in today's segment student. Today we will discuss the two important organelles of the cell student. First is lysosome, second is mitochondria. Lysosome is the important organelle of the cell student and it was discovered by Christian D. Dove in 1955. Means this important structure was discovered by Christian D. Dove, and student, it is a spherical round shaped organ of the cell, and in this there are the hydrolytic enzymes are found. About 40 varieties, 40 types of enzymes are found inside the lysosome student, and these enzymes are known as hydrolase in the combined form, and we also say them hydrolytic enzyme, and it is a single membrane bounded structure student, and it is originated by Golgi apparatus. Means Golgi apparatus form the lysosome with its vesicle. Means from the vesicle of the Golgi apparatus lysosomes are formed, and it contains the hydrolytic enzymes, and with the help of those hydrolytic enzymes student, it guards the cell. Means cell is guarded with the help of lysosome, because when the foreign particles or the pathogens enter inside the cell student, then those foreign particles or the pathogens are killed with the help of hydrolytic enzymes of lysosome, and this process is known as phagocytosis student. Phagocytosis, with the help of this it is killed. Means the pathogens or the foreign particles are killed with the help of these hydrolytic enzymes. With this student, it is also known as disposal bag of the cell. Means it is also known as the dustbin of the cell student. Means lysosome is known as dustbin of the cell. Why? Because student, it works as dustbin. When the organelles, means the other organelles are died, then those organelles are disposed inside the lysosome, and those all organelles are digested with the help of hydrolytic enzymes. Now the next important or the harmful characteristic of the lysosome is student, it is known as suicide bag. Means it is the organelle that is responsible for the suicide of a cell. That's why it is known as suicide bag. And in this student, what happens when the concentration of the hydrolytic enzymes or the hydrolase enzymes are increased inside the lysosome, then the membrane of the lysosome is burst, and those hydrolytic enzymes are spread in whole over the cell. Due to spreading the hydrolytic enzyme in whole cell, all the organelles or the whole cell is digested with the help of hydrolytic enzyme. That's why we can say it the suicide bag of the cell. So you will learn these terms that we can use for the lysosome. First is guard of cell, second is disposal bag, third is suicide bag. Now in this student, due to this digestion, means it can digest any pathogen or foreign particle or organelles. It is also known as the body of autophagy. Autophagy is the main characteristic of this. Means it can digest its own cell organelles, and this term is known as autophagy. Now we come on the next important organelle of the cell, it is mitochondria. Yes student, mitochondria is the shoe-like structure that is found inside the eukaryotic cell. It is the important structure, student, and it was discovered by Kolliker in 1880. Kolliker discovered it in 1880, student, and the name of mitochondria was given by Benda. Means Benda named this organelles to mitochondria. It is a double membrane bounded structure, student. Means it has two membrane around it. With this, there are folded structures are found, means finger-like structures, folded structures are found inside the mitochondria, and those finger-like structures are known as cistae, student. These are known as cistae. And in between the cistae, student, there are the fluid is found, and that fluid is known as matrix. With this, there are ball peen-like structures are found inside it, and they are known as oxysome. What we call them? They are known as oxysome, and they help in the oxidation of the food, student. And due to that oxidation of the food, a cell get the energy in the form of ATP, means adenosine triphosphate, and with the help of that a cell get the energy, and ATP is known as the energy coin of the cell, and mitochondria is known as the powerhouse of the cell or the battery of the cell. With this, it also regulates the calcium ion concentration inside the cell. Means when the calcium ion concentration is increased inside the cell, then it is balanced, and when it is decreased, then it is supplied to the cell. Means the calcium ion are supplied by the matrix of the mitochondria. With this, student, it synthesizes the fatty acids from which the fat or the lipids are formed. Means from the matrix of the mitochondria, the fat is synthesized. So it is the function of the mitochondria, student. Now you will learn these two organelles and you will write about them in your notebook. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.